How to use AI to analyze Excel sheets automatically. To use AI to analyze Excel sheets automatically, follow these steps. Now AI makes Excel sheet analysis faster and smarter. First, upload your spreadsheet to tools like Microsoft Excel with Copilot, ChatGPT, or Google Sheets with Duet AI. Use natural language prompts like summarize this data or clean duplicate entries. AI instantly identifies trends, removes errors, highlights outliers, and fills missing values. It can also create pivot tables, graphs, and automated summaries. For deeper analysis, integrate Excel with AI platforms like Power BI or Python. You save hours on manual tasks while gaining insights instantly. Whether it's financials, marketing, or inventory data, AI helps clean, organize, and summarize spreadsheets automatically. Thanks for watching.